The ease of movement of persons and goods, as well as profitability of existing and new businesses in the state, is the tonic that propels the aggressive tackling of road infrastructure deficit in the state. The governor of Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abiodun, made the submission while addressing the crowd of residents of Ijebu Ode while on inspection of road projects in the area. Governor's Office correspondent Sunday Olamiro reports.
So God will help them, make them help us to finish it. So it's very important to us, because this is where we are making sales. So no market since then. So
fún àìmọye ọdún láti wà nínú ọ̀nà tí ó dá yìí, ṣùgbọ́n àwa ń fi àsìkò yìí a fi ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa Dàpọ̀ Abiodun. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, wa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ọba tó ní kẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kíní yìí, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́ ṣe àṣeyọrí lórí ẹ o. Ní kú sọ́nà bí èéfín o.
Because àwọn tó ń lo mọ́tò nínú àdúgbò wọ́n sọ pé mi ní lọ sí àdúgbò báyìí, mi ní lọ síbi báyìí, because ojú ọ̀nà yìí ò dáa. Láàárín oṣù mẹ́fà àwọn ọmọ máa pọ̀ yí ilé mechanic lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́fà lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́wàá and something like that. Àti rí pé ìyípadà rere ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí báyìí sí.
That was the reaction of residents of Imowo in Ijebu Ode. The road had been abandoned with contractors out of sight since February 2019 and had gone from bad to worse. But thanks to the current administration in Ogun State for bringing the contractors back to site and giving residents a reason to hope again.
Gbàdádé ìjọba a rí pé títì yìí wọ́n ti abandon ẹ̀ láti bí March or February 2019 wọ́n ti abandon títì yìí. Wọ́n ti fún mi ní ìdánilójú pé kó tó di Christmas àwọn á parí gbogbo títì bámbám. Bó lè tí wọ́n sọ fún wọn lọ́sàn-án ìmọ̀ ní gbogbo àwọn pothole tí mo rí gbà tí mò ń bọ̀. Tí wọ́n fẹ́ débi roundabout kan tó wà níbi kan bẹ̀ yẹn, pothole kan ńlá kan wà níbẹ̀, mo ti ní kí wọ́n wá ṣe gbogbo pothole yẹn. Mo fún wọn níbi ọjọ́ mẹ́ta láti parí gbogbo pothole wà lórí títì. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ máa rìn kẹ́ máa jálù pothole.
Other places visited include Mulipa Expressway, which has been awarded by the current administration, Ashafa Oke, Ashafa Isale, which has been completed, Awujale Palace Road, which is being asphalted, SK Adetono Market, Okeaji Road, linking Otumba Dipodino Stadium, which has also been completed.
It was our pledge that we will ensure that we connect our neighboring states to Ogun State, as well as focus on roads that are internal roads. For two reasons. We want to facilitate people to come to our state, come and live in our state, work elsewhere. Whilst at the same time, ensure that our people can move and conduct their businesses around the state with relative ease. We can bring goods from farm to market with relative ease. So our work, àwọn títí odò ẹ̀ka ṣe, adíkí local government kan kọ́kọ́ fún wa ní àwọn títí tó yẹ pé ó jẹ wọ́n lójú.
The traders of SK Adetono Market, Okeaji, Ijebu Ode, literally left their wares to appreciate the governor for the road project. Good road network is pivotal to the social and economic development of any society, and the current administration is taking the bull by the horn to make life and living more pleasurable. Tunde Olaniro, OGTV News.